course here's a YouTube script for your channel, -- Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new Oppo F21 Pro 2025 edition, a phone that brings a lot of exciting upgrades and stylish design for anyone looking for a fresh experience. First up, let's talk about the features. The Oppo F21 Pro is powered by a strong mid-range processor that makes multitasking super smooth. Whether you are gaming, streaming or switching between apps, the performance feels fast and reliable. It comes with a bright and colorful AMOLED display that delivers vibrant visuals and deep contrast levels, making it perfect for watching videos or scrolling through social media. The refresh rate is higher this time, so every swipe and tap feels more responsive. When it comes to cameras, Oppo has packed the F21 Pro with a triple lens setup on the back. The main sensor captures detailed shots with rich colors even in low light conditions. The ultra-wide lens helps you fit more into the frame, while the macro camera lets you get really close to tiny subjects. The selfie camera is also impressive, offering sharp and well-lit photos, which is great news for anyone who loves taking selfies or making video calls. The phone runs on the latest Color OS based on Android, and it brings a lot of customization options. You can tweak the look and feel of the interface easily and enjoy features like enhanced privacy settings and smooth animations. The battery is another strong point. It can easily last a full day with heavy usage, and the fast charging support means you can power it up quickly without waiting around. Now let's move on to the exterior. Oppo has always paid a lot of attention to design, and the F21 Pro is no exception. It has a slim and lightweight body that feels premium in hand. The back panel has a matte finish that resists fingerprints and adds a touch of elegance. The camera module is neatly arranged and does not stick out too much, which keeps the overall look clean and modern. You can get the phone in a few trendy colors, and each one looks stylish without being too flashy. The frame is solid and the buttons are easy to reach. Plus, Oppo has added some water resistance to give the device extra protection against accidental splashes. Finally, here's the conclusion. The Oppo F21 Pro 2025 model is a well-balanced phone that offers great value for anyone who wants a powerful camera system, a beautiful screen and a sleek design. It does not try to compete with expensive flagship phones, but instead focuses on delivering a solid everyday experience with a touch of style. If you are thinking of upgrading to a new phone this year and want something that looks good, feels great and performs smoothly without breaking the bank, the Oppo F21 Pro should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech updates only here on FK iPhone. Would you also like a second, slightly more energetic version just in case you want to choose between different vibes?